how to create your own Discord server. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Discord app. In your Discord app, on the left, you want to scroll down until you see a plus sign. When you see the plus sign, you want to select that. From there, you want to select Create My Own, which refers to creating your own server. Select that. It'll then ask you to tell us more about the server. It can either be for a club or community, or for my friends and family. So click for me and my friends rather. From there, it'll ask you to give your server a name and maybe upload a photo. So for this example, it's already come up with a server name for myself. So I'll click Create Server. Then it'll ask you to add some of your friends. You can invite them and provide them with a Discord link. For this example, I'll just click Skip. And there you have it. That's how you set up your own Discord server.